Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your laptop and perform the battery replacement without damaging any components. First, power off your HP 14DB laptop completely and disconnect it from any power source. Remove any peripherals and, if necessary, allow it to cool down. This is crucial to avoid any electrical issues. Next, locate the screws on the bottom panel of your laptop. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully unscrew the 10 screws holding the back cover in place. Keep these screws in a safe location as you will need them later. Once all screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back panel. Be cautious not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the clips. With the back panel off, you'll see the battery connected to the motherboard. Take a moment to inspect the battery for any signs of swelling or damage, which can be indicative of a need for replacement. If everything looks fine, you can proceed. To remove the battery, disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard first. Gently lift the battery out of its compartment, ensuring you don't pull on any wires. If you need assistance with this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which might save you time and hassle. Now, let's install the new battery. Place the new battery into the compartment, aligning it correctly with the mounting points. Connect the battery cable back to the motherboard securely. Ensuring this connection is firm is essential for the laptop's functionality. Once the new battery is installed, it's a good practice to clean any dust from the internal components. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any debris, focusing on the fan and heat sinks. This will help maintain optimal performance and prevent overheating. After cleaning, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently to click it into place. Replace the 10 screws you previously removed, ensuring they are tightened securely but not overly tight to avoid stripping. Now that the back cover is back on, it's essential to test the new battery. Connect your laptop to the power source and turn it on. Check if the battery is recognized and charging correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for support. Remember, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, no calls, no travel, making it convenient for you. If everything is functioning properly, you've successfully replaced the battery. To ensure long-term performance, consider monitoring your battery health regularly. Also, if you ever need a quote before repair for any laptop issues, feel free to contact us. By following these steps, you can extend the life of your HP 14DB laptop and maintain its performance. Regular maintenance and timely battery replacements can prevent further complications and ensure your device remains reliable for daily use. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.